Hello everyone, and welcome back to Medical English in Arabic. This is Lesson 2, Parts of the Body, Part 1. In Arabic, أجزاء الجسم. But first, a quick review from Lesson 1. Do you remember? We make a recovery. We get over an illness. And we are in good health. Excellent. Now, look at page 1 on the left side of your screen. This page has 3 sections. Section A, parts of the body, أجزاء الجسم. Section B, referring to parts of the body, الإشارة إلى أجزاء الجسم. How patients and doctors talk about a part of the body. And Section C, describing radiation of pain, وصف انتشار الألم. Today, we will learn the English names of the body parts with their Arabic translation and new collocations for talking about pain. Are you ready? Let us begin. Section A, Parts of the Body. The book tells us something very important. Most external parts of the body have 2 names, an ordinary English name, الاسم الشائع, and an anatomical name, الاسم التشريحي. For example, armpit is the ordinary name, and axilla is the anatomical name. Now, here is the rule. Doctors normally use the ordinary English names, even when talking to each other. يستخدم الأطباء الأسماء الشائعة عادة حتى عندما يتحدثون مع بعضهم البعض. There are only a few exceptions where doctors use the anatomical name. In the book, these anatomical names are shown in brackets. Brackets means أقواس. So when you see a word in brackets after a body part, that is the anatomical name. Let us now study the diagram of the body, part by part. Number 1, jaw, الفك. The anatomical name, in brackets, is mandible. Number 2, neck, الرقبة. Number 3, shoulder, الكتف. Number 4, armpit, الإبط. The anatomical name is axilla. Number 5, upper arm, العضد. Number 6, elbow, المرفق. Number 7, back, الظهر. Number 9, wrist, المعصم. Now on the chest. Number 13, chest, الصدر. The anatomical name is thorax. And number 14, breast, الثدي. Remember the rule. Doctors say armpit and chest in conversation. But in medical reports, they write the anatomical words, axilla and thorax. Both names, same part of the body. Now the lower part of the body, highlighted on the page. Number 8, buttock, الألية. Number 10, thigh, الفخذ. Number 11, calf, ربلة الساق. Number 12, leg, الساق. Number 15, stomach or tummy, البطن. The anatomical name is abdomen. Tummy is an informal word. We use it with children. Number 16, navel, السرة. The anatomical name is umbilicus. Number 17, hip, الورك. Number 18, groin, العربية. The anatomical name is the inguinal region. Number 19, knee, الركبة. And the bone in front of the knee, the patella, is called the kneecap, الرضفة. Number 20, shin, قصبة الساق. 2 more important words. Limb, طرف. Limb means arm or leg. The arm is the upper limb, الطرف العلوي. The leg is the lower limb, الطرف السفلي. And the trunk, الجذع. The trunk is the body, excluding the head and the limbs. Section B, referring to parts of the body. الإشارة إلى أجزاء الجسم. When patients speak about their problem, they often refer to a part of the body. Look at the speech bubble. The patient says, I'm having trouble with my hip. Here is our first collocation of today. Have trouble with. أعاني من مشكلة في. I'm having trouble with my hip, with my shoulder, with my knee. Notice the preposition, trouble with. Now, the doctor often needs to ask about a part of the body. The doctor asks, do you get any pain in the chest? Second collocation, get pain in. أشعر بألم في. Do you get any pain in the chest? In the stomach? In the back? Notice the preposition again, pain in. So remember, trouble with, but pain in. Please repeat. I'm having trouble with my hip. Do you get any pain in the chest? Very good. Section C. Describing radiation of pain. وصف انتشار الألم. Radiation means the pain travels from one part of the body to another part. We say, the pain radiates. ينتشر الألم. Look at the speech bubble. A patient is telling the doctor about his back pain. He says, it starts in the back. Then it seems to go into the right buttock and down the back of the right thigh to the knee. Beautiful sentence. Look at the verbs of movement. Starts in. يبدأ في. The pain starts in the back. Goes into. يمتد إلى. It goes into the buttock. Goes down. ينزل أبرة. Down the back of the thigh. And to. حتى. To the knee. These small words, in, into, down, to, describe the path of the pain. Doctors need this description to make a diagnosis. That is the end of page 1, and the end of the theoretical part. Now, let us practice and solve the exercises. Here is page 2 on your screen. Exercise 2.1. Write the ordinary English words for the anatomical terms in the table. Let us do them together. First, abdomen, البطن. The ordinary words are stomach or tummy. Second, axilla, الإبط. The ordinary word is armpit. Third, carpus, المعصم. The ordinary word is wrist. Fourth, coxa, الورك. The ordinary word is hip. Fifth, cubitus, المرفق. The ordinary word is elbow. Sixth, mama, الثدي. The ordinary word is breast. Seventh, nates, الإيفيتان. The ordinary word is buttocks. And the last one, patella, الرضفة. The ordinary word is kneecap. Excellent. Anatomical name and ordinary name. 2 names, 1 part of the body. Exercise 2.2. Complete the sentences using ordinary English words. Sentence A. A male patient describing angina pectoris, الذبحة الصدرية. Angina is a pain from the heart. The patient says, it's like a tightness across my 1. Chest. Tightness means leak and شعور بالانقباض. And it goes up 2. Into my 3. Neck. And into my left 4. Shoulder. And 5. Down the left 6. Arm. You see? Chest, neck, shoulder, arm. This is the classic path of angina pain. Sentence B. A male patient describing renal colic, المغص الكلوي, a pain from a stone in the kidney. It starts 1. In the loin. The loin is the hosera, the side of the back, and goes into the 2. Groin, and 3. Down into the testicle, الخصية. Notice how we use the same verbs from section C. Starts in, goes into, down. Well done. Exercise 2.3. Match the anatomical term with the patient's statement. Number 1. Inguinal swelling. تورم عربي. Inguinal refers to the groin, so the patient says, I've got a lump in the groin. A lump is كتلة. Number 2, abdominal pain. ألم بطني. Abdominal refers to the abdomen, the tummy. My little boy's got a tummy ache. Remember, tummy is the children's word. Number 3, peri-umbilical rash. طفح حول السرة. Peri means around, and umbilicus is the navel. I've got some spots around my navel. Number 4, thoracic pain. ألم صدري. Thorax is the chest. I've got a pain in the middle of the chest. Number 5, enlarged axillary node. تضخم عقدة إبطية. Axilla is the armpit. There's a painful swelling in my armpit. And number 6, mandibular pain. ألم في الفك. Mandible is the jaw. I've got a pain in my jaw. Do you see the pattern? The anatomical adjective tells you the body part. Our last exercise, 2.4. Complete the table with words from the box. 3 groups. The trunk, الجذر, the upper limb, الطرف العلوي, and the lower limb, الطرف السفلي. In the trunk, we put abdomen, chest, and loin. البطن والصدر والخاصرة. In the upper limb, we put arm, elbow, wrist, and finger. الذراع والمرفق والمعصم والإصبع. And in the lower limb, we put leg, thigh, and knee. الساق والفخذ والركبة. Excellent work. Finally, over to you. Make a list of the words from this lesson that you find hard to remember or that you need most often. Try to learn at least one of them every day. احفظ كل يوم كلمة واحدة على الأقل. That is the end of lesson 2. In the next lesson, we will continue with more parts of the body, the head and the face. Write your list in the comments and see you in lesson 3. Thank you and goodbye.